let me show you how to create a product image with ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, click on the option create an image. Once you click on it, it'll go to the image section. And from over here, what you can do is describe the type of image you want. So let's say I want an image of a cup brand which I started, which is a brand focused towards plant. Now this is just a brief information I gave, but if you want to create a product image, you need to give it a detailed information like what your brand is, what the product is, what kind of logo you want, and everything in detail. The more data you provide to ChatGPT, the better the image it's going to create. So just provide it with the most data you want, and after that it's going to start creating an image, and after some time your image will be created and ready and it'll be shown. Now this might take a bit of time depending on how busy the server is, but that's how we guys can create a product image with ChatGPT. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.